Are you fed up with being benched by that relentless knee pain, raining on your active parade? Say goodbye to the grip of lateral knee pain caused by the notorious IT band, because we've got the game-changing playbook you've been waiting for. It's time to break free from the sidelines and conquer the field of pain. Let's dive into this thrilling adventure together. IT band pain, also known as iliotibial band syndrome, is a common condition that affects many athletes and runners. It can cause discomfort and pain on the outside of the knee. While it's always recommended to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan, here are some home routines that may help alleviate IT band pain. Stretching exercises. Standing IT band stretch. Stand upright with your feet shoulder width apart. Cross your affected leg behind your other leg, so your feet are close together. Reach your arm on the affected side overhead and lean towards the opposite side until you feel a stretch along the outside of your hip and thigh. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, then switch sides and repeat. Perform this stretch a few times on each side. Seated IT band stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Cross your affected leg over your opposite leg, placing your foot flat on the floor. Bend your opposite leg, placing your foot flat on the floor for support. Twist your torso towards the affected side, placing your opposite elbow on the outside of your bent knee. Gently press your elbow against your knee while keeping your back straight until you feel a stretch along the outside of your hip and thigh. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, then switch sides and repeat. Perform this stretch a few times on each side. Don't go ahead just yet. Let's take just a moment to sharply hit the subscribe button and then turn on notifications for our fancy channel to stay up to date with all the future content. Foam rolling. Lie on your side with your affected leg on top. Place a foam roller under your affected hip/outer thigh area. Using your forearms for support, slowly roll your body forward and backward along the foam roller, from the hip down to just above the knee. Focus on any tight or tender spots along the IT band and hold gentle pressure on those areas for 20 to 30 seconds. Continue rolling for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Perform foam rolling exercises regularly to help release tension in the IT band. Supine IT band stretch. Lie on your back with your legs extended. Cross your affected leg over the opposite leg, placing your foot flat on the floor. Using the hand on the same side as your affected leg, gently pull the crossed leg across your body towards the opposite side until you feel a stretch along the outside of your hip and thigh. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, then switch sides and repeat. Perform this stretch a few times on each side. Standing calf stretch with IT band emphasis. Stand facing a wall, about arm's length away. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height. Step your affected leg back, keeping it straight, with your heel on the ground and toes pointing forward. Lean forward, keeping your back leg straight and your heel firmly planted on the ground, until you feel a stretch in your calf and the IT band on the back of your leg. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, then switch sides and repeat. Perform this stretch a few times on each side. IT band stretch with a stability ball. Stand upright with your affected side facing a stability ball or a wall at arm's length. Place the side of your hip against the stability ball or wall. Lean your body weight onto the ball or wall, allowing your IT band to stretch. Gradually increase the pressure until you feel a moderate stretch along the outside of your hip and thigh. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, then switch sides and repeat. Perform this stretch a few times on each side. Correct your running form. Improper running mechanics can contribute to IT band pain. Work on your running technique, such as avoiding excessive foot pronation or overstriding. Seek guidance from a running coach or a physical therapist for proper form correction. Modify activities. Modifying activities is an important aspect of managing IT band pain. Making appropriate adjustments can help reduce stress on the IT band and promote healing. Here are some tips for modifying activities. Reduce high-impact activities. Minimize or temporarily avoid activities that place excessive strain on the IT band, such as running on hard surfaces or downhill running. Instead, opt for low-impact exercises that are gentler on the joints, such as swimming, cycling, or using an elliptical machine. These activities can help maintain cardiovascular fitness while reducing stress on the IT band. Gradually increase activity levels. If you're recovering from IT band pain, it's important to gradually increase your activity levels. Sudden increases in intensity or duration can put excessive strain on the IT band and worsen the pain. Start with shorter durations or lower intensities and gradually progress over time. Listen to your body and pay attention to any signs of discomfort or pain. If pain occurs, reduce the intensity or duration of the activity. Modify running technique. Evaluate your running technique and make adjustments if necessary. Poor running mechanics can contribute to IT band pain. Consider seeking guidance from a running coach or physical therapist who can analyze your gait and provide recommendations for proper form correction. Focus on avoiding overstriding, maintaining an upright posture, and ensuring your foot lands under your center of mass. Use proper footwear. Wearing appropriate footwear is crucial in providing support and cushioning to the feet, reducing the impact on the IT band. Visit a specialty running store for gait analysis and shoe recommendations that suit your specific foot structure and running style. Replace worn-out shoes regularly to maintain proper support and cushioning. Congratulations! You've equipped yourself with the knowledge and tools to conquer IT band pain and reclaim your active lifestyle. By implementing the home routines and activity modifications we've explored, you're well on your way to experiencing relief from lateral knee discomfort. Remember to listen to your body, pace yourself, and seek professional guidance if needed. With dedication and perseverance, you'll overcome any obstacles that come your way. Embrace the joy of movement, embrace the freedom from pain, and enjoy the exhilarating journey of an active life. Keep going, and let your resilience shine through.